Hello everyone, nice to see you again. In today's video, I will share with you an extremely unique tip for growing ginger at home, helping to bring about an unexpected harvest. I'm sure you will be surprised and delighted. With a plastic can and some sand, you'll have ginger plants with perfect roots and healthy shoots in just a week. The special secret here is that I use sand to grow ginger because sand retains moisture well and absorbs water quickly, which is very important when growing ginger to avoid rot. Soft, smooth sand creates ideal conditions for ginger roots and sprouts to grow quickly. After a week, the ginger sprouts grew tall, protruding from the sand and became very sturdy. Their roots look plump and stretched a lot. This is the result of the ginger tree I received after 1 week. This proves that sand is an effective tool for growing perfect ginger plants. What do you think if I grow ginger in this plastic bag? Let's wait and see if there are any surprising results. One week from planting. The time from planting to harvesting ginger is 10 to 12 months. When you see the ginger root floating on the ground like this, it means you can harvest it. ginger this way will produce many roots. Find ingredients, you can perfectly grow ginger at home and have a bountiful harvest that brings you joy. Here the video is about to end. Hope this ginger growing tip will be useful to you. Thank you and hello everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to watch the next videos on my channel. Goodbye.